Recapitalization in all its forms has been one of the key trends of the REIT industry in 2009. But the bottom line is enhancing liquidity. Here to talk about how his company has addressed this issue is UDR President and CEO Tom Toomey. Recently, UDR announced a joint venture with Kuwait Financial House. Can you tell us a little bit about the structure of that deal?
Certainly. Well, Kuwait Financial House, or KFH as they're known, is probably the largest regional bank in the area of the Middle East. And about 9 months ago, we started talking very detailed about how we thought the recession would end, what opportunities would be born. And over that period of time, we came to an agreement of what we thought would be the right opportunity for the both of us, which was to form a joint venture. The magnitude of it is to start out small at $450 million. Thought being is to go after Class A assets in what you would call 24-hour cities, primarily the East and West Coast, and that we would see opportunities born out of the financial concern or the merchant building concerns, and that we would buy those opportunities. We will probably see ourselves close 1 or 2 transactions by the end of 2009, and we expect fully for the fund to be deployed by the end of 2010.
How does the deal with KFH benefit UDR?
The benefits for UDR are the following. First, access to another line of capital. And second, a proven investor in the U.S. They have invested in a number of times, in a number of economic cycles, in a number of different types of assets, and prospered very well. So I think they're a great platform for us to partner with in attracting capital from that region of the world. And we look forward to fulfilling our efforts.
Do you anticipate more JV deals like this going forward?
Well, I wouldn't see us joint venturing with other people in this region. They're the dominant player. I think that's going to be working very well for us to access that region. I think for other regions of the world, for capital, I think we'll have to establish other types of joint ventures. And so, yes, we probably will be looking at those at the right economic environment.
How important do you think foreign funding will be in the overall recapitalization of the REIT industry?
Well, certainly it's one component. I mean, I think the vast majority of the capital today that's invested in the REIT space is generally through U.S. retail and pension systems. And as those institutions and groups get back online with investing in REITs, that will drive the vast majority of it. I think the foreign capital is a good incremental layer, and we've enjoyed the expansion of it over a number of years, but it won't be the big driver. It will be an incremental part of the capital layer.
UDR got a jump on the equity offering trend we've seen in 2009. What prompted you to go to market when you did?
We jumped into the market in November of 2008, probably raising the last equity of 2008, in fact. And so that's done well for us. We're now back into the market as the stock prices have rebounded, that we're seeing more opportunities, not necessarily to delever. I don't think delevering is our efforts to raise equity. Ours is to be on the offense and to see opportunities. And so we're starting to see some more and think that a good equity raise is important.
Where do you foresee these opportunities coming from?
I think the opportunities are certainly in acquisitions, in selected markets that are having a troughing of NOI. I think the second is in land, that there's a lot of good entitled quality land out there that you know inevitably you're going to be able to build on. And then I think the third is the redevelopment aspect, which is a good skill set in our organization. And you buy at this point in the cycle and you participate in the recovery.
Thanks, Tom. For REIT.com, I'm Matt Bichard.